In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a team member from a Wrike project. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive in. First, you want to make sure you are logged into your Wrike workspace. Once you're in, look over to the sidebar on the left side of your screen. This is where you'll find all your projects listed. Identify the project from which you want to remove a team member. When you've located the project name, hover your mouse over it. You should notice that a few options appear to the right. Among those options, you'll see three little dots, also known as the ellipsis. Click on those dots to bring up a drop-down menu. Now here comes the part you'll need to pay attention to. From this drop-down menu, select the option labeled Share. This will lead you to a window that lists everyone who currently has access to that project. Take a moment to scroll through this list until you find the team member that you wish to remove. This can sometimes take a few seconds, especially if your project has a lot of members, but that's perfectly normal. Once you spot the team member you want to remove, hover your cursor over their name. You will see an X appear to the right of their name. This is an important step. When you click that X, you'll officially be removing them from the project. After you hit that X, you'll likely notice that the member has been selected for removal. Don't worry, it's not final yet. You'll need to confirm this change to ensure it goes through. So, at this point, look for a green button that says Save. Click that button to save your changes. And just like that, the team member will be removed from the project. It's a simple process, but sometimes managing team members can get a bit overwhelming, especially if you're juggling multiple projects and numerous collaborators. By following these steps, you'll not only keep your project organized, but you'll also ensure that everyone involved is still the right fit for your tasks at hand. So to quickly recap, first, locate your project in the sidebar and click on the three dots next to it. Then choose Share from the drop-down menu. Scroll through the list of members, hover over the name of the person you want to remove, click on the X, and don't forget to hit the green Save button to confirm your changes. And there you have it. That's how you remove a team member from a Wrike project. It's an essential skill to master if you're managing collaborative work, and I hope this tutorial has helped clarify the process for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like the video. That way, you won't miss out on any of our upcoming tutorials and tips.